On January 9th, 2022, a pilot took off from Whiteman Airport in Los Angeles. Less than a minute later, his engine failed completely, forcing a split-second emergency landing right onto train tracks. It started as a routine flight, a Cessna 172, clear skies, and a short trip ahead.
Make right down, departure inside the 5, runway 12, wind 1804, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 12 for right down, 1 departure.
But hidden in the fuel tanks was a problem: water contamination. The pilot spotted some during his pre-flight check, drained a little, and assumed the rest had settled. At just 200 feet, the engine cut out. No warning, no power. The runway was out of reach, and buildings and power lines left him nowhere to go.
Austin, clean, mayday to mayday. The railroad track.
He aimed for an opening ahead, only realizing too late that he was heading for an active railroad crossing. The landing was rough, but survivable. Then came the real danger. A passenger train was closing in fast. Within moments, Los Angeles police arrived. The pilot, injured and trapped, couldn't move. Officers rushed in, pulling him from the wreckage seconds before impact. Then, the train hit.
Hey! You okay, man? Get up. You good?
The aircraft was completely destroyed. If they had been even a moment slower, this could have been fatal. The NTSB investigation later confirmed water in the fuel system caused the failure. The aircraft had been parked outside for weeks, and after 18 days of rain, water seeped through worn-out fuel caps. The pilot had drained some of it, but not enough. Once airborne, contaminated fuel reached the engine, and it shut down completely. If you found this interesting, like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.